What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy MBJ Live, your soulful nutritionist, help you to get the best diet plan for the rest of your life. Welcome to Mind, Body, Soul Healer TV. This video specifically catered to the women. For those women who have bad menstrual cramps and oh my God, I can't bear the pain. You got to take Midol, you got to take ibuprofen, you got to take 800, you got to take goody powders, any and everything over-the-counter meds to try to alleviate the pain that you're experiencing. I have some natural remedies, ladies, that I will show you later on in the video, and I'm going to give a demonstration what you can do at home, self-care, to help alleviate some of your menstrual pain and cramps. You can do it yourself if you're flexible enough, or you can have somebody else to do it for you. So thank you guys for tuning in, and be right back. All right, ladies, let's get started. Here, this little bony ridge is it's called the medial malleolus, or the inside of your ankle. You have the medial on the inside, and on the outside, you're going to have the lateral malleolus, which is your ankle bone. So this is the inside of your ankle bone. So what you want to do is take your thumb or your finger, place it here on the tip, the highest point of your medial malleolus or your ankle bone, and you want to drop down into the dip. You want to drop down into the dip, and what you want to do, you want to do circular motions in that area. If you're in doubt, work it all out. Get in that valley, and typically sometimes you will feel the pain, and sometimes it will be unbearable. You'll feel the pain like, oh my God. Don't get off of it. Just kind of keep smoothing it out. If it's too much pressure, just lighten up on the pressure and just give a little circular motions. In this area here, you ladies, the reproduction system, this is considered the uterus. So you want to go down here, starting point, and go into the valley. And then you can do your index finger, middle finger, ring finger, whatever you want to do, pinky, however you want to do it. And like I said, your thumb, or even use your knuckle if you want to get in there and really work it out. Also, you can work across your where your leg and your foot meet. It's this little soft part in here. This is not the best deference. The best deference on the man. This is considered your fallopian tubes. So you can go across here with two fingers, one finger. If you can with your thumb, it's probably easier. And this is my left foot, but you're going to do it on both feet. The same process on both feet. Or you come across in that soft fleshy area, ladies, this is your fallopian tubes. So you can come across here as well. And like I said, you can do this process throughout the day, several times throughout the day. Now, this is the lateral side of my left foot. And like I said, I'm just showing you this on my left foot, but you can actually do it on both sides, the left and the right. So this is the ankle bone. This is the lateral malleolus. You find that highest point on your ankle, the bump, and you come down, same thing, right in that valley. And sometimes you'll feel some discomfort. And if you feel it, don't back off of it. Just stay there, lighten the pressure, circular motions, wherever you feel a little pain, and just kind of work it out. And ladies, this right here probably will hurt the worst. This is considered your ovaries. So you really want to get in here and work your ovaries, and you'll sometimes you'll feel like a little bump, and you'll know that you're on the spot in that area. And then a lot of times it's really tender and sensitive on a lot of females who are going through their menstrual cycle. So um, simple, easy procedures that you can do at home. Yeah, that's that, ladies and gentlemen. Well, ladies, and I will show men how to do it as well. The same concept with the men as well, but I'm specifically dealing with the ladies. And when you have bad menstrual cramps, you can come in, you can smooth it out, rub it on out, make it all nicey. And like I said, if you're not able to reach your ankles, maybe get somebody else to do it for you. Just smooth it on out. All right. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'm sure this will help a ton of women who deal with bad menstrual cramps. This is just a natural way to help alleviate some pain. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to Mind, Body, Soul Healer TV. Thank you for watching the video. Hopefully it was definitely helpful for you. You take away some nuggets that will help you alleviate pain that you've been experiencing all your life. Be sure to tune in next time. Who knows what I may be working on next. Continue to tune in. I may have some people come in into my office and work on and do some TMJ work, teaching you how to unlock your bowels and different things like that. That's it. I think my next video, I'm going to teach you how to do peristalsis colon manipulation, how to unlock your bowels. Till next time, it's your boy MBJ Live, your soulful nutritionist, help you get the best diet plan for the rest of your life. Peace out.